The judge gave him one simple instruction: hire a lawyer. Instead, he returned with unusual legal arguments, and within minutes, his bond jumped to $100,000 per case. What happened next turned the entire courtroom into chaos.
Nasir Brown. Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm sorry. We were here before.
You've been here before, but you have to speak up where I can hear you.
Executing beneficiary of the trust in hand.
Of the trust of what?
Of the trust in hand, Your Honor.
Of the trust in hand? Whose
Yes.
hand? What trust?
The execution.
Did you bring a copy of it?
I wasn't able to get to the copy. I do have.
Take the glasses off. I need to see your eyes, please.
These are my prescription glasses.
That's okay. So I'm having a hard time understanding you. You need to speak up and speak clearly so that the record can be clear. You were already here and I gave you an opportunity to try to go hire a lawyer for your 2 cases. Did you get a lawyer hired?
Able to do it.
Who'd you talk to?
Made a few calls to the guy, Rafe. What's his name? Rafe King?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name again?
Who else?
That's the lawyer that I chose.
So if you chose him, you should have gotten him high. I mean, he has the same, there's somebody that answers his phone every week. I understand. I know how it works. I told you to hire someone or visit with at least 3 lawyers.
Made an attempt.
You made an attempt? Okay. Did you go see Mr. Kimler? Did you make an appointment?
Able to do that.
Why not?
I'm not in a position to go back and forth in front of a lawyer that's in this state that I'm not from. This is foreign language.
So here's the thing, Mr. Brown, I told you very specific instructions when you were here before that if you did not do what I asked you.
One thing that stands out here is the judge's patience. This wasn't the first hearing. The court had already given Mr. Brown another opportunity to hire a lawyer and prepare for his case. Courts generally expect defendants to follow instructions, especially when they've already been warned about the consequences. Whether someone agrees with the judge or not, ignoring a direct court order almost always makes the situation worse. Instead of moving the case forward, the conversation becomes focused on compliance rather than the underlying legal issues.
Then your bond would be raised and you would have to go back to jail, right?
No.
Yes, that's exactly what I say, because you've heard me say it probably 8 times already this morning. So at this time, Mr. Brown, because you did not do what I asked you to do or what I ordered you to do, I'm going to raise your bond.
Challenge subject matter jurisdiction.
That's overruled. Listen, Mr. Brown, I'm raising your bond to $100,000 in each of your cases for not following the court order. Go back with the bailiff.
This is the turning point of the hearing. Raising someone's bond to $100,000 per case is a major consequence. Bond isn't meant to be another punishment after an arrest. It's intended to help ensure a defendant returns to court and follows the conditions set by the judge. Here, the judge explains that the increase is based on Brown's failure to follow previous court orders. It's a reminder that courtroom behavior and compliance can have a real impact on what happens next, even before the actual trial begins.
Go back with the bailiff. Go back with the bailiff. You're going to make it worse if you don't.
Yeah, respectfully, this is not a fair trial.
You don't get to say respectfully and then be disrespectful. Go back with the bailiff.
She started.
Don't make me lay hands on you,
Why would you lay hands on me?
because you're not doing what I'm telling you to go.
Mr. Brayton, you need to go back with the bailiff. Right now, I've raised your bonds. You have to go with the
I am
bailiff.
not a threat to any officer.
You through it, Judge?
Yes, I'm through.
I am not a threat to any officer.
Let's go.
Why are hands on me?
Yeah.
Why are
I
hands
told
on
you, I told you I was gonna put hands on you.
Why are hands?
The final moments are the most tense. Once the judge orders someone back with the bailiff, refusing to comply rarely ends well. What started as a legal hearing quickly turns into a confrontation over courtroom authority. Regardless of how someone feels about the fairness of the process, judges have broad authority to maintain order inside the courtroom. Cases like this often go viral because people focus on the dramatic exchange, but there's an important lesson underneath it. Challenging a court's authority in the middle of a hearing usually creates bigger legal problems than the ones that brought a defendant there in the first place.